Here at Georgia Tech Research Institute, in collaboration with the Agricultural Technology Research Program, we are looking at ways of trying to introduce robotic automation into agricultural operations that are currently seen as manual labor dependent. An example of this in poultry processing is a task called cone loading, where the front half of a partially processed bird is taken out of the bin or off the conveyor line and placed onto a moving cone line. Currently, there are no automated solutions for this problem, and the reason is because it needs to be 100% effective, and any automation is going to have failures. So how do you introduce a system that is going to be able to be 100% effective, relies on robot labor, and yet can be used in an industrial setting? Well, let's take a look at our solution. Here you can see our virtual reality workspace, where a user in a remote location is shown a live scene where the cone loading task is performed. The user selects a suitable grasping pose on the bird, and this information is sent to the robotic manipulator. Armed with this knowledge, the robot goes to this point and performs the task. Importantly, this is not teleoperation, this is cooperation, where the person and the robot are working together to complete a task. You can see my colleague Johan in the top left, and his vision of the environment is shown in the bottom left. In the bottom right is the relevant information that the robot has, and in the top right is the robotic system. The operator is able to quickly and intuitively send information to the robot, and the robot is able to interpret these commands to complete the task. This is clearly a research application. Actual deployment of the technology will need to be faster and operate in industrial environments. Furthermore, this research will be combined with machine learning, so that the operator only needs to be involved when necessary. This is only one aspect of this technology. To see other applications and to learn about the history and significance of this research, please visit our workshop at ICRA 2023. I hope to see you then.